Welcome to a SyncMD user tutorial video. This video will cover various sharing options that you have available to you within the app. Let's get started. There are two methods for sharing your records in the SyncMD app. You can share directly in person with any computer through the use of QR code scanning. You can also share your records remotely by sending a unique access code that can be entered into the SyncMD website. Let's demonstrate how to share our records in person through the QR code scanning feature. Click the Share and Sync button. On the computer that you will be sharing records with, have their web browser go to syncmd.com. You will see a QR code on our homepage. Now click Sync with a computer nearby in the app and scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Once successful, this will automatically synchronize your SyncMD account with the computer and provide the user access to your medical records. They'll be able to view your basic demographic information, your identification card, and they'll be able to click on any documents that may have been uploaded to your account. They can print off copies of these documents, as well as download electronic copies. They can also add new documents to your account from their own computer by uploading them directly. Once uploaded and saved, they will immediately be available within your SyncMD account. Now let's cover how to share your records remotely using the access code link. Click the Share and Sync button, and you'll be using the second option, Send as a link. Simply enter the name of the individual that you will be giving this access code to, and then click the Get a Link button. You will now see a unique access code that pertains exclusively to your account. You can share this code with the person over the phone, in person, or you can utilize one of our sharing options, such as text, email, or fax. To send a fax, first you'll need to know the fax number of the receiving party. You can search for the fax number by entering the doctor, clinic, or healthcare organization's name. SyncMD will search the MPI database for any results, but be aware that the MPI database can sometimes have outdated information. Always check with your healthcare provider directly to get a more accurate and up-to-date fax number. If you already know the fax number of the party you are trying to reach, you can skip this search process and simply enter the fax number manually. You will be shown a preview of the fax that will be sent, so please take the time to review it for any errors or mistakes. Once you are comfortable with what is shown, click the Send button. Let's cover how to use a SyncMD access code if you receive one from a patient or another user. First, you'll need to go to syncmd.com on any web browser. Click the Sync Using Access Code option, and you will be taken to a page where you can enter the unique access code that was given to you by the patient. You'll need to enter their date of birth for confirmation that you know this patient, and then click Next. You will be prompted with an optional step to register with syncmd.com, or you can continue as a guest. Simply enter your first and last name, and then click on the Continue as a Guest option. Your name will be displayed to the patient so that they know who has been accessing their account. You'll then see a list of your SyncMD records, as well as your basic demographic information and ID card. You can perform all the previous functions that we covered, such as printing off copies, downloading electronic versions, and uploading new records. This concludes the SyncMD user tutorial video. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy SyncMD.